The last video we had done how to round the numbers to the nearest thousand, correct? And so kids, firstly go through these steps. Remember, if the digit to the right of the given place is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the digit in the given place, correct? We had done few examples also in the last video related to these two things, correct? If the digit is less than 5, leave the digit in the given place as it is, correct? These two things we have done in the last video. Now let's start today's video. At 7463 and 2745, find the estimated sum and also compare with the actual sum. Estimated sum means we will round off, then we will add, and actual sum means directly addition. And after that, when we'll get two answers, we will compare those answers. Let's start. Firstly, find the estimated answer. So this is ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay, so we are rounding to the nearest thousand because these are 4-digit numbers, correct? So same step. Firstly, we have to round off this to the nearest thousand, and at thousand place we are having 7, correct? So we will go to the right side, next digit. Okay, next to digit is 4. It is greater than 5 or smaller than 5? Tell me. Yeah, it is smaller than 5. So by the rule, if it is smaller than 5, we will not add anything into 7 and we will write directly like this, correct? This was first step. Second step is, now next all these digits will become 0. So after rounding off, the answer is 7,000. Correct? Now round off this number, 2745. Same, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we will round to the nearest thousand, that it is having 2 here. We'll go to the right side, and here I'm having 7. 7 is greater than 5. That means we will add 1 here, correct? It will become 3745. Second step, all the digits, these digits will become 0. So after estimation, after rounding off, I got 3000, correct? Done. So we got the estimated form of these numbers. Now we have to add these numbers. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we have to do addition here. So let's start. 7,000, 3,000, correct? What will be the answer? 10,000. And now we have to find actual sum. Actual sum means directly as it is. 7,463 added to 2,745. After addition, I will get, correct? So this is the estimated sum and this is the actual sum. Okay, so the actual sum is 10,208, correct? Which is close to the estimated sum of 10,000. They are very close. Even if I rounded off this number, I will get 10,000 only, correct? So our answer is correct. More example, add 58,632 and 62,358. We have to find the estimated sum and actual sum. So first step is rounding the numbers, correct? And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So thousands means we have to round it off to the nearest thousand, correct? Now at the thousand place I'm having 8. Now we have to see the right next number, that is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, I have to add 1 to the digit which is at thousand place, so it will become 9. So the answer will be 59633. Correct. Next step is, this was the thousand place digit to correct. The digit at the ones, tens and hundred place will become 0. So the final answer is 59,000. Correct. Now let's take another number, 62,358. Round of these number. Again we'll go for the nearest thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So at the thousand place I'm having 2. We go to the right next number. It is 3. 3 is smaller than 5, so we will not add anything to this digit. So next step is 62,358. We will write as it is. So final step is, this was at the thousand place correct, 2. These digits will become 0. Correct. We got the rounded number. Now we have to find the estimated sum. So this is the estimated sum, 59,000, 62,000 I have added here, and I got 1,21,000. Correct. And the actual sum here, actual sum means 58,632 plus 62,358 I have added. So I got 1,20,990. If you see, if I round, just for verification I'm telling you, if you round off this number to the nearest thousand, the answer will be this only. Correct. So this is the one relationship between these two things. And yes, this is these two are answer, because they have told to find estimated sum here, actual sum here. So it's done. Very easy. Firstly, round it off these two numbers, then add these numbers, and if they tell you to find actual sum also, directly add them. Correct.